How to use SEO in WordPress blogs, a step-by-step guide. Search engine optimization is a crucial aspect of any successful WordPress website. It's the process of optimizing your website to increase its visibility in search engine results. To ensure your WordPress blog is search engine optimization friendly, it's essential to familiarize yourself with basic principles. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing web pages to increase their visibility and ranking on search engine results pages. A key component are keywords, the words or phrases that describe the content of a web page. Selecting a quality hosting provider is essential for the success of your WordPress blog. To optimize images for search engines, use descriptive titles and alt tags when uploading an image. With over 2 million professionals using it, all-in-one search engine optimization is one of the most popular plugins for WordPress. The quality of your hosting provider can also significantly impact your site's SEO. Factors such as site speed, uptime, and security are essential considerations when selecting a hosting provider. To make a WordPress theme mobile-friendly, ensure that links are spaced out appropriately, buttons are easily accessible, and font size is consistent. Google Analytics and Google Search Console are popular tools for monitoring and analyzing your WordPress blog's SEO performance. Yoast Search Engine Optimization is a widely used WordPress plugin. High-quality optimized content is vital for attracting your desired audience and sustaining their interest. A compelling headline is also crucial for capturing the attention of your target audience and driving traffic to your blog. To optimize meta titles, it's essential to ensure they are relevant to the search query and utilize compelling language. Using heading tags correctly can enhance the readability and search engine optimization of a web page. Compressing images can help decrease the file size of the image, further optimizing the loading speed of the website. Building high-quality backlinks is another strategy that can significantly improve your blog's search engine rankings. Create engaging content and promote your blog on social media to further drive organic traffic to your site. Utilizing the tools and strategies discussed in this guide can help you stay ahead of the competition and watch your WordPress blog flourish.